All right, hold on then. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Shift you over here, so. All right, I'm streaming live on YouTube. TikTok now really work with me now. TikTok now work with me. I tell you, not just some on your so. All right. Vix New York Session. All right, Mr. Walker and John's shopping so now. Right, so I just dropped the link for the no, I was asking the previous person if they're on my if they're in the group. Are you not in the free group, Koya? Morning. All right. What are you paying for? If we're doing a free trial, you'd have to pay now. What are you paying for? I'm confused. The group is free until Sunday. It's only when the trial is up then you have to pay. So I don't know what you're clicking on. Click the link in the bio and click on where it says join a free community. The link is in the bio. I've been saying that from Saturday.
You know, I'm going out. Big jet, big check. Don't care, die for my wrist. Neck, we gonna clear it up. Nice game, get them, girl. Grind in the invest like the man roll, not the action. Make movies like Netflix, never domestic. Watching the necklace, young and aggressive. You know who the best is. That's 3/4 Gucci Mane with the first shoe. Got a girl, and the girl got a girl too. Hit me with the fab, like put it in the bag. Pull it with my new tank, like I know she mad.
Morning, everybody. Morning. Welcome in, morning. Right, for everybody that's just coming on, guys, is everybody in the Vix trades? Everybody in? Hold on a second. All right. Morning, morning. All right, so let me go over to the futures side. So futures is still selling off. All right, let's see what I go on down here. So now. Were you on last night? No, did you get to enter the cell? All right, you can enter MNQ for the sell. No, so you miss out that you miss out on that trade last night. All right, so MNQ for the sell. All right, so we're in that. But no. All right, let me see what's going on the daytime frame. Ooh. So them coming right back down here. So as me predict this morning, come clean up back this liquidity. So we're expecting this to push down a little bit more. Come sweep out the water. This a wick right here. That's a potential TP level. It might come all the way back down here, so in the 29,000s. Right, so that's me right there. We're still working with the cells. All right, let's go on with our MGC. All right, this is what they call it up for the cell this morning. Came down a little bit, push back up, come back down to the entry, stay playing about. I'm expecting it to push back down a little bit more. I have much buyers in the market right now for gold. It's kind of consolidating right there. So I'm going to leave this out. All right. Unless you get it set up properly, then yes, you can get in. Right, so everybody's supposed to be in profit on VIX 10. It's pushing up nicely. 25 one is still at entry. And 51S is still in profit from this morning. It hasn't pushed up that much. But yeah, it's still there playing about. Right, for everybody that's on my TikTok, I won't be calling out any trades on here. Click the link in the bio or join the group. If you want to join the free trial session, That's a total different group where you get to come onto the Zoom call. So I won't be calling out no trades on here. Right? So when you join a group, you drop the word session in there. When you drop the word session, then my admin will send you the link for the free trial group. Once you're in there, then they will see the link for you to come onto the Zoom call. All right. So remember, the free trial ends on Sunday. So if you got started Saturday of this past weekend, the trial is going to be ending on Sunday. Right? I could do the futures with it. I take off the futures. Right? I'm only working with the VIX people them. Right? Only VIX I'm working with. For the futures, you have to pay for it for coming in. Right? Because it's too much work for me to do the free trial. Yeah, son, it's gonna be too much work. I have to go, once you sign up, I have to go help on a setup, and it's a whole long process. We can't bother to go do that for free right now. So only VIX I'm doing the free trial for. Right? If you don't want to do the VIX, if you want to do the futures, click the link in our bio and pay for it. All right. Now after this weekend, you have the option. Once the trial is finished, the group that you're currently in will be deleted, and everybody will be back into the main group that you came in through, right? In that group, I only drop one trade in there ever so often, not every day. All right. Now, when you're in that group, you understand, you can always upgrade and come in at the VIP group when you're ready. I do two different things. You can either get the signals only for 63 US dollars per month, right? You get unlimited trades. You get to come onto the sessions. You understand, 2 times daily, and in between me drop trades in the chat. Or you can get it with a strategy, which tells you when to buy or when to sell. Yes, and if you want to know how the strategy work, click the link in my bio, go to my YouTube page, and I have videos on there showing you how the strategy works. You understand? The strategy takes out all of the guesswork for you. You don't have to sit down and wait on Dick Tama or if it call out trades for you. So that's how it works. All right. So let's see what's going on around here. So close up some of them trade here. Right. So for the futures, I do sessions 3 times a day. Asian session, London session, and New York session, which is now. Right. For VIX, I do Asian session with VIX along with futures, and I do the New York session along with VIX for those 2 sessions. The only session that I don't do for VIX is a London session, which is where you come onto the live session. But if you're up during that time, which is 8 a.m. UK time, I do drop trades because sometimes I wake up, like how this morning I wake up for London session, I miss the trades I'm setting up. Yes, that's how me drop them in the group once you come inside of the group. So you guys, basically, I get a little tester of how, you understand, we call out the trades them in the group and so on and so forth. So that's how it works. All right, so for MNQ, if we get a break and close above this area, we're going to get out of this sell and get in for the buy. Only if we get the break and close above this. But if not, the sell is still valid. So we are going all on it. All right, so let's see this around here. So all right, that's the one. All right, that's pushing up right there. All right, that take time across. Let me see if I can find a different VIX pair. Ooh, 101 is doing nasty around here. It's not very nice around here at all. It's not very nice around here at all. All right. Thanks to the tabs. TikTok suspend my gifting around here, so look like when they suspend the gifting, it kind of slow down by a little bit. So,
from your free daily spin on the Sky Pages prize machine to competing for prizes with real money, right through to all favorite games. Download the Sky Pages app and see where your next spin takes you.
this been consolidating. My God. No, sir. I never see a pair can consolidate so like step index. All day, all week, all month. Them not giving no chance, yeah, so. He push up, he come back down, he push up, he come back down, he can't. You know what if do? They're all over the town and the valleys. Right. Right, 75 being consolidating. 75 1S push up last night. I get a break and close right here. If we get it, then we can enter for the buy. All right, so I just saw the two persons who drop session in the chat. Let me send you guys the link. Invite link. So the reason why I do it like this, guys, is to take out all of the time wasters them out of the group. Well, not take them out of the group, but to for everybody to separate themselves from the time wasters. Yeah, that's what I was meant to say. I have some people joining and them not serious. You understand? Them join, but they're not serious at all. Them come to waste people time. You understand? I'm in the time wasting at all. All right, so we have to see what going with this now. So on the lower time frame, we have a little bit of rejection right here. Let me see what going on now. All right, so if this call out the buy, we can close out the MNQ, guys. We have a good come up here. So.
Whatever the future brings, our own stands in
Right. Strategy for this person. Manage account. Carry. Second. Second, all right, let's add it on. Boom. Right, so that's added on for her. Morning. Everything kind of slow. Slowy. 25 is the start pay about. 51 is coming back down to entry. I see you're playing about as well. 101 is gone about it business. Hey, Chris. Right. So we're waiting for MNQ to do what it needs to do at this present moment. Is telling us that we need to wait. So I want to see if we do get a break and close above this area, if it's gonna hold or if it's gonna pull back down. That's why I'm going to John shop yourself. I'm gonna fight the good fight in a saying I'm gonna fight the good fight. So MNQ is on the future side, not on VIX. I trade multiple markets. I trade VIX, forex, crypto, stocks, futures. For persons who are in Jamaica, you can do futures, but it's a different prop firm. We use prop firm instead of normal brokers. To use normal brokers, you don't have to have anything from $5,000 to $10,000 to put in at those brokers. So we don't trade with the live brokers. We trade with the prop firms. So with the prop firm, you buy an account, you understand? You buy an account, and then you have to pass the evaluation stage. Once you pass it, then you get the live account to trade on. Anything you make on it, right? For the prop firm that you guys can use in Jamaica, or if you're overseas, for that prop firm, you get a percentage of 80 to 90%. For those who are overseas now, you guys get a different prop firm. That one pays out 90% commission. Not commission. What about profits? So yeah, so for each session, I do three different sessions for those when I do Asian session, London session, and New York session. So like now we're doing New York session for futures. So futures is the opposite of forex. The only thing with around here, you have to be in the market any long time for you to make any money, because we're using contracts instead of lot sizes. So around here, so now you can put on one contract, and depends if the market move enough, you can make anything from $100 up to thousands. Yeah, so I know I put out no income claim out there. All right, so we're going to John shop, yes or no? Them now work. We do today at all. Them now work. We do your some. I'll go on what you want, so I'll go on now. All right, so if we get the break and close above this area, guys, we're going to watch it. If we close out, we just wait for it to set up for the buy and take it back from down here. God, boy, it's been selling off like all night last night. I don't think no more. I don't think you have no more sell left in it. True. Even though the sellers are still in on the higher time frame, but look on the week here, so. But you see Liberty come through careless here, so. Liberty come through careless. I'm telling you the truth. All right, so we have. Hi, Kim. We have 45 seconds left on this candle, so if we get it, touch this area where my mental stop loss is, then we get in for the buy. Kim, were you on last night? Did you manage to get in for the trade? Did you catch the sell last night? Look like everybody did gone and in bed. We said the market make a piece of sell off, you see? Make a nice piece of sell off. Gone to County Bow. We don't want place, we don't want car now. I did add it on Kerry, so you need to check. Or you just got back an account, okay. So you need to go to indicators and then invite only, and then you will see the strategy there. All right. I have 3 minutes, 3 minutes here, 3 minutes. On my tripod in the kitchen. I'm not gonna see this properly if me turn it round. Hold on. Second. Switch camera. You know, I enough phone to see it. I'm not gonna see it properly. Right, so I was anticipating for MNQ to push down a little bit more, but as you can see, as soon as you come on, them come down here, so come weak, this area right here, and I pull back up. So before I can get into this for a buy, it has to break and close above this area for me to get in for the buy. So this seller could deem invalid in a little bit. Them tired because why? They've been selling off. All of this sell. They've been selling off last night. So they must tired. They don't have no more sell left in them there. No more. Unless something drastic happen. And them decide, so okay, we're not going to further media. We're going to try to say so. Despite false statements to contrary, Iran has fully and completely agreed to highest level nuclear inspection long into the future. Here, we can't bother with Trump.
HBO Max on Prime Video.
You now have the power members in the room. Well, you can how to save the book in Europe. Look to discover.
Get bronze in the French Riviera. You bronze must take something. Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you know sleep was your mind. Are you on your way? I warm up your plate.
Oh yes, England gonna play tonight. Them don't go tonight. What time England gonna play? I have to go check. I have to go check and I go to watch England tonight. I hope they win tonight, you know. Oh, come on, I left my yard for go watch England and them lose. I'm sorry for them. They were going good so far still, but knowing them, they always slacky.
That is so beautiful. Tell the world that you are more than enough. More than I can say. Can you be giving more and more each day? Oh, I never thought I'd never change you. I don't mind in time, baby. I wanna do. Can I can say, can you be giving more and more each day? Oh, I never thought I'd never change you. I don't mind in time, baby. I wanna do. I'm down to the little things. I'm down to the little things. Yeah, I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm trying to do the little things.
Guys, you don't need to send me a message for get started. You know, the link is in the bio. The link is in the bio to get started. You don't need to message me to get started. For those who want to pay. It's either the link is in the bio, or when you join the free group, it's pinned at the top of your screen. You don't need to message me. Otherwise, I'm going to turn off back my DM. Because I can't take you up a message in my DM. That I work at call center. All right. So we'll wait for the break and close right here. Hi, Onion, morning. Did you enter any of the trades, Onion? All right, guys. For those who are trading the futures, you can get into MNQ for the buy. So MNQ for the buy, guys. Since they did not give us our sell, them tired, so them said the sell now can work me there. All right. So while I make money on the downside, I'm going to be making money on the upside too.
Explore your story.
All right. Oh, you was at work. Okay. All right. So I did drop the trays in the chat. You didn't check the group before? All right. So 10 Vix 10 you can enter for the buy. 25 1S you can enter for the buy. And 51S you can enter for the buy. All those stop losses are in the chat. Novia, do you have access to the strategy, Novia? Three, four. Okay, okay. Morning, Dali.
New veg season, rhubarb, yellow courgette, fennel, runnerby, sweet corn, picayune, chard, crispy cabbage, spinach, rice, sprouting broccoli, Jersey wine.
Ooh, it's nice to see fresh faces. Come right here, you know. Fresh seasonal vegetables mean we're always bringing something new to the table. Hello Fresh. Bring back dinner time.
9 o'clock on the match. Jesus peace. Nine, 10, 11. Right, so by the time the match finish at session time. Thought it was an early match. Me can't bother. Alright. Is it the people that wicked and see about it? Watch out. They want to stream it on BBC One. Now because of England, them decides, okay, we could just dash it out on the whole channel them. Wicked. So them stay.
Every 4 years, the world measures love in matches. Before the penalty, after the penalty. And this summer, we believe again. When the nation gathers, cuts there. TEACHABLE.
Breakthrough sun care with superior sun protection. Live sun protect and moisture.
To make the move right a bit. Yeah, I can win.
All right, so that take time I push up a little bit. That this I play about. That's there playing about as well. Let me see if anything else setting up. That's consolidating. That already been consolidating. 10-1 has been consolidating. 101 is have some sellers in there in the higher time frame. 91 is sellers in there. Data setup. It's doing nice little piece of push up this morning. So for anybody that did add the strategy, add the strategy this morning, you could have entered this for your buy. One nice piece of push up that, you know. They make one little piece of change after it and run to Jesus. All right, so we need a break and close above here if we're looking to get into this trade. All right, guys, so may I come off in a little bit because I go get ready. May I go match later on. Go watch England. I'll go buy one England flag. I'll go cheer on my second country. Sun a shine outside. All right, so get ready for step index, guys. If it's set up by the time we're ready for come off. I've got to charge up my phone them to Jesus. Ain't surely what it is. All right. All right, so we did not get the break and close. So we're gonna still wait because we need a break and close above the red box. But for those who are planning to get the strategy, all you have to do is sit down and wait for the break and close. That's all. No overcomplicate it, no make it jump over your head and up to the moon. Sit and wait. You don't care if the market a push up or push down. Right, the lowest lot size for step index is 0.10. 0.10 for the lowest lot size on step index. If you use anything higher than that, that is not my problem right there. Because if you blow your account, and that's something easy if you blow your account, may I tell you, it can make you a whole lot of money. Yes, and right. But it's easy to blow your account. Step index for the buy, guys. And then I'm jumping off. I'm going to drop the stop loss in the group. So when you come on here, so to the 15 minutes time frame now, right, because this green box is so far away, you're going to put your stop loss underneath the trend line right here. Right, if you don't see any stop, if you don't see any box over to your left, right, you put it underneath the trend line right here. Right, this would be too close for it, so underneath the trend line. That's me done for the day. Right, so if you're in the future, if you're in the VIX group, I need to take off the futures over there. If you're in the VIX group, guys, the VIX free trial group, don't forget at the end of the day, drop your screenshots in if you did make money, whether you're using a live account or a demo account, it doesn't matter. As long as persons are showing interest. Anybody that we don't see active in there, you will be taken out of the group. We want active people in these groups, active people. Right. So that's me for the Zoom session here. I will see everybody on later on for Asian session. All right, for those who are in MNQ, if you're in profit, you can secure profit. Or if you want to hold it a little bit longer, you can. All right, guys. See you guys later on the Zoom. I'll still be on TikTok for a little bit. And not for long, because I come off to get myself ready. Right.